really cool discovery today. So, see this? See this crunchy looking ice? It's so... Look at this. My hands are cold now. And you see the thing about this ice? Kenobi? Do you want it? Do you want the ice? Max? Ice? You? My dogs really like it. Well, my sister and my mom's dog. Wait, get some more. I haven't recorded a video in like 7 months. That's kind of dirty. There we go. Hey, say please? Kenobi, say please? Kenobi, you want this? Say please? Okay, never mind. Just take it. Okay, Max? Max? Do you ice? They really like it. My hands are like cold. I'll put them in the sleeve. And look at this. This is sawdust. And look at this. Picking it up in like this. And it's crunchy too. Like, hold on. It's crunchy. Like, it's hard, like rock solid. There's some more over here. Oh, imagine if this is like a ball of it. Oh, that's so cool. Look what's under there. Look at that. Rock solid. Put it back. Oh, that crack. Look at that. Don't know if you can see, but what are those things? Well, let me brush off my hands. Where are they? What are those? There's little things on the ground. I wonder what those are. Okay. But yeah, there's another. Oh, I'm gonna kick it. Oh, ow. There we go. This is fun. Take it over here near our shed. Ow, that actually really hurt my foot. I only usually record YouTube shorts, but today I'm recording a video. It's really nice out here. It's like 29 degrees or like something like that. And where is it? This dog toy is like frozen. Like, you don't want it? Oh, yeah, you can have it. Oh, you get it. Hey, but back to the crunchy ice. Like this stuff. This stuff is awesome. Okay. But sadly, my plants died. Like, literally, they're dead. Like, it froze and I'm sad. You have like small little purple flowers growing right over here. Oh, there's a lot of broken trees and everything. I need to mow. Oh, what is that? Those mushrooms? Huh. Okay. Okay. Oh, look, there's some more mushrooms over there. Where'd my dog? Where'd the dogs go? Oh, they're over there. Y'all really love my dogs and my friends' dogs. Sawdust. Crunch. See. Okay. Well, we got a popcorn bag in the thing holding up our shed. Oh. Oh. Kenobi? Oh, you. Nope. Nope, we're not watching that. No bad dog stuff. Okay. Dude. Wonder if what would happen if I gave it to him. Probably not. Probably shouldn't. What are those? Those look like mangoes. Those look like broken mangoes. Oh, no, they're just leaves. I thought those were mangoes from like really far away. Or like peaches or something. Oh, smells kind of bad. Watch out, you'll get shocked. You're too far away from your boundaries. Oh, I found a big stick. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh my goodness, I got a stick. Oh my goodness, I got a stick. Oh my goodness. Do you want the stick? Oh my goodness, I got a stick. You have a stick? It's like a really long stick. I'm gonna throw it over there. And my hands are like pink. Happy dog? Kenobi? You want a toy? Max? Okay. Found another big stick. Give it to you. Do you want? Stick? Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness, he's so happy. Yeah. Well, that's all the discoveries I made this morning. Oh, ball. It's like a baseball. Messed up baseball, like destroyed the thing. You know, ball? Say please. To the ball. Say please. Say please. Say it. No, say please. No, nicely. Say please. He's got his ball. Why does he give his hackles up? No hackles. Oh, this can be frozen, I think. Probably. Oh. Should drop the ice. See, like is plain ice. My dogs really like this stuff. I'm gonna drop it from up here. Go up the stairs. That wasn't satisfying. Like I thought it was going to be. Okay. I'm gonna grab some more. What's that noise? Is that this? Bro, it sounds like there's cats in it. Ice. His reaction whenever it just dropped. Our rug is frozen. Oh my gosh. There's bugs under it. What? Look at all those bugs. Oh my gosh, it's a worm. A little worm. Oh, look at that. Okay. Do you want it? It's gonna be a crunch. Where'd it go? You dropped it. There's usually like flowers or something growing right here. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, but it looks really bright now. Let me turn down the brightness. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Jeez, it's still bright. It's like 7 or something. You can hear like birds and stuff and chirping in the background. I hear something over here. Wait. No, hold on. Is there a bird stuck in there? Oh, there's a bird's nest. There's a bird's nest. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bird's nest up there. Yeah, that's so cute. Oh my goodness, you just saw the mom. I just saw the mom. Hold on, brightness up. See, the mom just went flying away. Yep, but that's the bird nest. We have a cute little bird nest. I thought there was a bird stuck in the pipes. Let's get a better look at it. Hold on. I don't know if this is safe, but I'm gonna... Nope, it's not safe. Okay, hold on. Get a better look at the bird's nest. Hopefully the mom doesn't attack me. There's some dad going off, but there's your bird nest. And there's the dog. I'm standing on this right now. If this breaks, I'm gonna die. Probably. Hopefully not, though. The mom just flew off over there. See the little bird's nest. Kenobi? Hey? Up here? I'm up here. But yeah, I thought a bird went through that up there. Got sucked down through there. But no, it's just a bird nest. Yeah. Yeah, but just a little bird's nest. Such a cute little, there's such a cute little dog down there. Just a little cute one. Are you judging me? He's judging me. He's judging me. It's so cute. Like, look at the little, there's like 2 baby birds in there. I don't know if you can see them. Let me turn the brightness up. But there's 2 baby birds in there. It's like eggs or something. Freshly hatched eggs. Alright, but I think this is gonna be the end of the video. It's been like 16 minutes. Okay.